hello and welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel PharmaVen. Today I will be discussing about very important topic within the pharma industry, and that is SOP knowledge. So standard operating procedure or SOPs are the lifeline of the any pharmaceutical company. There are all the processes, lot many processes into the industry, and there are SOP for each and every process. So when a person, an employee is working, he must know what are the SOPs, what is written into the SOPs, and he should act as per the SOPs. But a question will come, is it really possible for a person to remember all the SOPs? To know all the SOPs, to remember everything what is written in SOP? So practically answer is no. One cannot remember the SOP. Now next question or the real question. Do an employee have to memorize all the SOPs? Then answer is no. Employee does not have to memorize all the SOPs. He first undergoes the training of the SOP which are allocated to him or her as per him or her job role. Based on his or her job role, he gets training on the SOP, initial training on the SOP, and start working. But that does not mean that one time training and he cannot refer the SOP again. On the contrary, every person, every employee who is working on the shop floor, who is actually touching the product, should refer the SOP each and every time he does the activity. Why it is important? That you can forget your training. You can forget your one time reading SOP. But if you refer SOP each time, every time, then you will exactly know what is there in SOP, and then SOP then gets absorbed in your mind. You know on which page what is written. Now comes the next question. Do we really need to memorize the SOP? No. But during audit, during an inspection, if a question is asked and every time you say I need to check with SOP, I need to check with SOP, I need to see into the SOP, then it gives a false indication, it gives a negative impression to the FD inspector that although you are doing your activity daily, but you don't know your SOP, you don't know what is written in SOP. So what is the solution to this? So if you are doing an activity day in day out as per SOP, so few of the critical steps, few of the critical parameters you must know by heart. For example, at what speed you are running the machine, at what RPM you are running the machine, what is the pressure of the utilities into the machine, what are the critical process parameters, what is the time, what is temperature, if you are running an autoclave, what is the set value, what is overshoot temperature, what is a low temperature, how many minutes it runs, how many minutes a total cycle takes. All this day in day out values you must know by heart. You should know how many recipes are there into the SOP. If a very detailed information is asked, step by step evaluation is asked, then you can say that I need to refer to the SOP to give you the detailed information. But overall, you should have all the knowledge in your memory that what is in there. For the very detailed information only you should go to SOP, otherwise you should know what is written in there. If you are doing an analysis, then what is the sample preparation method, what you need to take, it should be in your memory. If micro details are asked, if word by word information is asked, then you can refer to your test procedure. But as such, you know how you are performing the test day in day out, how you are reporting your results. Why this is important? First of all, it gives a confidence to the inspector that people working on the shop floor are aware of the SOP. They'll also understand that when they don't know, they are taking the help of SOP, and they are not intended to give any answer based on the assumption, based on the memory. Third thing, it also shows that our SOPs are robust, our training program is robust. So this is how referring to the SOP and procedures each time, every time helps you to work better, helps you to prevent incident, and also gives a tremendous confidence to the FD inspector that yes, you are doing the SOPs activities as per the SOPs, and then they have a lot of confidence on your systems. So thank you that this little clip will help you to understand that we really don't need to memorize the SOP, but we must know what are the critical activities and critical parameters within the SOP. Thank you.